Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to logically convert between radians and degrees without having to use equations. Let's just do an example. So normally if you had 540 degrees and you were looking to put this into its radian form, you would go 180 over pi is equal to 540 over x. And then you'd cross multiply, you'd have 180 x is equal to 540 pi, and then you would divide by 180, and then you would simplify and get your answer. But we're going to do it a much quicker way. So now to do this logically, we're just going to find the highest common factor between both 540 and 180, because remember, from looking at the way that a unit circle is built, 180 is equal to pi. So we're going to be looking for a number that can both fit into 540 and 180. And for example, it doesn't need to be the highest because we can simplify after as well. So I'm going to take 20 out because it's easier. So taking 20 out of 540, we're going to get 27. And taking 20 out of 180, we are going to get 9. So now we have 27 and 9. How we're going to organize this is we're going to put 27 over 9, and we're going to keep a pi beside this number, beside the number we're looking to convert. Then from here, we can just simplify. Through simplification, we get an answer of 3 pi. All right, let's do another example really quick. Let's take 175 degrees and convert this into radians. So I'm going to choose to take out a pretty low number, just for the sake of easiness. I'm going to decide to take out a 5. Therefore, I'm going to get 35. And for 180, when I take out 5, I'm going to get 36. So then I can therefore put 35 pi over 36. All this really means is that on our coordinate plane, there is 35 small angles, well 36, I mean small angles of 5 with a degree of 5 since we divided by 5. And 35 out of those 36 are filled. Okay, let's do an example converting to degrees. So we have pi over 4, and what we know is that 180 is equal to pi. Therefore, we're really just dividing 180 by 4. So 180 divided by 4 is equal to 45. Therefore, in degrees, pi over 4 is 45. Let's do another example. 2 pi over 6. So, what we're thinking is, here's a diagram. What we're thinking is there's 6 of these angles. 6 of these angles. This isn't 6, it's a random number. But there's 6 of these angles going to 180, or pi. And 2 of these 6 angles are filled. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to divide 180 by 6, split it up into 6 different pieces. When we split up 180 into 6 different slices, 6 different angles, these 6 angles are going to be 30 degrees each. And when visualizing it, how many are shaded in? This is how many. So there's 2 out of these 6 shaded in. So all you're doing is just having 2 30s that are shaded in, which means it's going to equal 60 degrees. Okay, let's do a bigger numbered question. So we have 12 pi over 20. To find the degrees of this, we're going to do the same thing. Visually, we're going to have 20 little angles in here, 20 little angles going all the way up to 180. It's very messy, but you get the point. And out of these 20, 12 are going to be shaded. So since it's going up to 180, we're going to be dividing 180 by 20. When we divide 180 by 20, we're going to get an answer of 9. And this 9, all this 9 means is that it's going to be the angles here. So there's 20 angles of 9 filling up all the way to 180. So all we have to do now is times 12 by 9. When we times 12 by 9, we get an answer of 108. Therefore, our answer is going to be 108 degrees. Thanks for watching my video. If you found this helpful, feel free to drop a like and maybe subscribe. I post pretty often, so it's definitely worth it. Anyways, I will see you again next time.